happy week 4 to my 5th and 6th graders. Hope everything's going good. This week we're going to be continuing on with the 8 parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. I wrote them down here. You guys have learned all of these. You see them on there? No. Noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. We've gone over all of these, but this is just going to be review and getting them pounded in, because all of these, this is kind of the, not kind of, this is the base of our language. So you're going to keep doing these every year. Like high schoolers, they're doing these. I've been seeing their worksheets at the school. They're doing these as well. So it just kind of grows bigger and bigger. They add more to it, give you more details each time, each year. Okay, but these are good to memorize. There's 8 parts of speech. Okay. Last week we talked about the nouns. You guys are really good at finding those nouns right away. Person, place, thing, animal, idea. All of those are nouns. There's a bunch of different kinds of nouns, but you know what a noun is. Verbs are actions or state of being, like I am happy. Am is a verb as well, even though it's not an action. And that's what we went over last week. So this week we're going to be talking about adjectives, adverbs, and pronouns. Adjectives and adverbs, a lot of people actually mix up. It sounds similar. Both of them kind of sound similar. And they're both describing words, okay? They're modifiers. But they modify or describe different things, okay? So adjectives, some of you already have them straight, I know, and some of you are like, I can't remember which one is which. So adjectives describe nouns. So also I have this, let me see. Adjectives on this side answer the questions, which one, what kind, and how many. And then adverbs, they modify or describe actions or verbs, okay? And they answer how, when, and where. There's a couple other things that these answer, but it's very rare. So we'll just focus on these. So I have a few sentences just to go over so that you can kind of learn. You can not learn, you guys already know it, but it's good exercise to learn how to keep them straight. Part of my sentence disappeared. Hold on. This one says, I loudly cheered for the amazing SHCA Eagles. Okay, I loudly cheered for the amazing SHCA Eagles. So I put in each one of these sentences that I'm doing, I put an adjective and an adverb so that you can kind of see what they're describing, okay? So in this one, we know that adverbs are the ones that describe the action. And so where's the action? What's happening? What did I do? I cheered. And so cheered is the verb. Put a V up there. Verb. So how did I cheer? Because remember, adverbs answer how, when, and where. How did I cheer? Loudly. That is my adverb. I can tell, I'll put AD for adverb, okay? I could put AV actually, but I'll just put AD. Adverb. Oh, I can't put AD, silly. Because adverb and adjective start the same way. All right, so AV for adverb. Adverbs describe the verb. Do you hear the word verb in it? That kind of helps me to keep it straight. Okay, and I loudly cheered, so loudly is my adverb. Now we're going to be trying to find the adjective. And remember, adjectives describe nouns, okay? Should call them adnouns, huh? Okay, so I loudly cheered for the amazing SHCA Eagles. So SHCA Eagles is my thing, right? That's my noun. So what word describes the Eagles? Can you see it on there? It's actually answering the question, what kind? What kind of eagles? The amazing eagles. And I'll put a J for that one. Okay, adjective, which adjectives describe nouns. Okay, we're going to just do a couple more of those. This one says, the scrumptious cupcakes disappeared quickly at the party. And so we can go ahead and we'll find our noun, cupcakes, and we'll find our verb, disappeared. That's the action, right? It disappeared. So let's look at cupcakes. Cupcakes is our noun. We know cupcakes is our noun. So what is the word that is describing cupcakes? That will be an adjective. Adjectives describe nouns. It is the scrumptious cupcakes. Scrumptious is our adjective. Okay, adjectives describe nouns and adverbs describe verbs. Okay, so disappeared is our verb. That's our action. That's what happened. How did it happen? How is one of the questions that adverbs answer. It happened, or it disappeared quickly. That is our adverb. You see that? Okay, I have a couple more. Just going to take my time to do these because these are, you know what adjectives are, you know what adverbs are, but sometimes we get them mixed up, right? So, my sister angrily took my favorite snack. Okay, so on here, my sister, there's no describing words for that, so we'll move on. Angrily took. Took is what she did. That's the action verb, right? How did she do that? She angrily. And so what is angrily? We know it's a describing word, but how we know which one it is that it's talking about this action. Because it's talking about this action, it makes it the adverb. It's adding to this verb, okay? My sister angrily took my favorite snack. Snack is my noun. And this describing word, favorite, is answering which one? Which snack? Took my snack. Which one? My favorite snack. And that makes that an adjective because adjectives describe nouns. Okay? And then I have one more. The blue team excitedly took first place. The blue team excitedly took first place. Okay, so the team, that's a noun. The team is a noun. And there's a describing word telling me which team, which one. If I just said the team, somebody might say, well, which one? So I'll say the blue team. That's describing a noun. So that makes that one an adjective. Okay? And then took is our action verb, right? Took, they took first place. How did they take first place? How is an adverb question. How? Excitedly. And so because it's describing this action verb, it makes this an adverb. Okay? Just wanted to do a few of those to kind of get them really good there in your brain. Okay? So the other thing this week, and this is a super easy one, is the pronouns. And there's just one sheet on them. Those are the words that take the place of a noun. So instead of saying Sister Amanda likes to sing, I can say she likes to sing. That's a pronoun, okay? Those words that take the place of the noun. That is a pronoun. There's only one sheet. I'll just show you the first one. It says you have to choose which pronoun to put, which one sounds right. I want to have soup for lunch, or me want to have soup for lunch. It's going to be very easy for you because that's not how we speak in our language, right? I wouldn't say, I'm not a caveman, me want to have soup for lunch. I want to have soup for lunch. So this one's super easy peasy for you to get done, okay? And then I have two little writing things, a super sentence about a dog. That's where you're adding adjectives, adverbs, the when and the where into the sentence, making one sentence really big. It's an exercise to spread your sentences, make them bigger and better. And then The last one is a paragraph, and the subject is the best place to live. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would you choose? Write a paragraph about it. So you could choose a place you've been that was just gorgeous in the mountains somewhere. You could choose somewhere you've never been, maybe in a different country. You could choose right where you're at because you want to be close to your family, or you want to stay close to your church and your school and things like that. Whatever you want to write about, what you think the best place to live is, write about that. Make sure you're remembering your topic and your conclusion, top and bottom, and then inside are all those details about that place. Okay, you need at least 8 sentences. 8 sentences for you big guys, okay? And I hope we get to see each other soon. I'm missing y'all. Have a great week. Bye-bye.